Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about a love spell that is very powerful. We got many calls and messages and comments. The people are suffering from a problem. This problem is becoming big and bigger day by day. The problem is the people's lover are blocking them from all the social media networks like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, emails, platform, and they are not unblocking and they are not communicate to their lover. So we are going to tell you today a love spell with that your lover would be unblock you for whole life and you will got messages and calls from his or her side. So we are going to tell a very powerful love spell. For that we have to take a pen, a plain paper, nothing required after that of these two things. So friends, we are going to tell you a love spell. For that you have to make a secure box like this. Hope you can see it. In that you have to make 4 boxes in 4 sides like this. After that you have to join these lines with each other like this, and you have to write your names 4 letters. For example, your name is Tim. You have to write T I M, and your girlfriend or lover name star. For example, her name is Lisa. You have to write Liza and A. You can write in any box. There is no specific condition that you have to write these names like this. You have to write any box, any kind of this thing. After that what you have to do, you have to do one thing, like you're trying to communicate with your lover for 2 times or 3 times and he block you from last 3 days. Then you have to write 3. If he blocks you from 5 days, then you have to write 5. And you have to write the years or days of your relation. For example, your relationship with that person from last 4 months. You have to write here you have to write 4 months. Then you have to make a box like this, and he blocks you from for example from the WhatsApp. Then you have to write that person's name and its mobile number like this. These X's like these are the digitals, and you want to message on your number that you have to write here, I want you to unblock me on this number. For example, you have to write your number here. Okay, you have to do these things as it is. You have to write here your lover's number, and then you have to write I want to you to unblock me on. You have to write here your number. After that, what you have to do, you have to take this paper, like this. You have to take this paper like this, and you have to fold it on the left side of your hands. You don't have to put it or fold it towards you. You have to fold it left side towards you on the left side of your hand. And after that, you have to keep this paper, back behind the cover of your phone, and you have to make this sign on this page. And you have to put the page behind of your paper, and after 3 hours that person would be unblock you. That person would unblock you for sure. That is guaranteed. Love spell. If you are facing, you can call us on our number that is showing top of the screen. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.